With Alkaline them?
Yeah.
You know what's funny? I meet Alkaline there? I swear to God. Cool dude. I swear.
A few moments later.
You see that? I want to open the thinking mode.
No, man, I meet the tall man.
You man razor. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox. How the latest news them like?
I don't know Media Fox gonna happen. Yeah, man. You know what things said. So people, you know say when me say Jaii, seen? You know so when me say Jaii put up, I think me see him put up like a short little clip. No, on him status. IG, see? He put up a picture like with him sofa and put the date when I the first video. You don't know for the saga, you see me? And I say, yo, him have to call Alkaline name in this. Like, me did it come here say, yo, you know, say me go review a video about this and me say, yo, him I go call Alkaline name in my first video after prison. You understand? And when me look, me see on main page and me say, yo, see there? It's like Alkaline a real prophet. Man telling no emotions. Man I center heavy attention, brother. I'm say, John, no youth. Me I tell you. But people, we are going every day and hear what Jaii say, is it?
I'll call up big way name. Someone I look for your power in Alkaline name, yeah? Me say.
With Alkaline them?
Yeah.
You know what's funny? I meet Alkaline there? I swear to God. Cool dude. I swear to God. Cool.
Yeah. So, getting a youth, come on, bro. Him hold the mic, him beat me, him talk about a thing. But bro, when you start holding the mic and you start certain things were different from what that, it hurt me. I deal with him, so I text him on him phone to your father. If love me name, if love me your father, and leave me alone. Brother, yeah, your friend I call up big way name. Someone I look for your power in Alkaline name, yeah? So me say.
With Alkaline them?
Yeah.
You know what's funny? I meet Alkaline there? I swear to God. Cool dude. I swear to God.
And you know my worst thing? I know the first video me hear now. I think me hear Walk and Talk. Said that already on a clip. I don't know. You see boom boom more while in mouth some of the time. You see me? He always make people look bad. You see it? I don't know what kind of argument that he might go to Walk and Talk with and not involve Alkaline name. I don't know, but brother, them things are right, bro. You see me? If you know more while, I just want to put artists in a certain situation. You see it? Yeah. So if boom boom go to him and say them thing there, brother, madness. I bring them type of energy there, bro. You see it? Yeah.
God, cool dude. Meet him and his sister. Cool people, bro.
So, talk?
Yeah. Meet Alkaline, bro. Call on me. Just kind of sad. This about this. You see
that? I want to open the thinking mode.
No, man, meet the tall man.
You man razor.
I don't come. Man call. Someone call me. Brother. The man them call brother Alkaline thing. Man them serious, you know. Some say, dog, what am I call you? You what all for a person?
Yeah.
You know, run committee in a bad man is a fucking selector. And brother, from that, I just draw my line with him. I just say, yo, it's a youth there. Because it's a dog, I'm a rate, it's a love, you know.
Ah, boy. So Jaii say meet Alka. You see me? You say so. I saw it go. You see me? But boom boom, I don't know how I'm going with boom boom. From the up to the line thing, the man just come here make some talk, you know. My fair shit. I don't know with boom boom dog. The man just, I don't know, him mouth. See him like sometime when he must select, him just talk more, him just talk too much. You see me? Yeah.
But if Alkaline chat back is not going to be the same. Because you know why? You keep on doing some things, you feel say, oh, Ray, bro. Bro, I'm telling you, so you know what I say in song, said? I can't be violent. I can't be that guy. I can't be that puyo and be, bro.
Yeah, that was my song.
You see it? Yeah. And then,
me most good.
No. Hey, boy.
Like, girl with a ball. Must go with your
Why, me I tell you, Jaja. Not them time, eh? You see it? Yeah, man, Jaii for watching, man. It's a song that still.
So that goes up no one. He might do him think, but he might do him think. Bro, they man forward now. Walka talk a party with them. I'm a party chocolate boss them and bunker them. Bro,
you look at that boom too.
Look at them. I'm close to argument now, like some face. Look at them. Bro, every time I go around them, they say, like someone I say, you go and party Jaii for your friend, man. And then Jaii, I beat you bad. You know what I say? What? And Jay for me that cover. And Jay for coming and this.
Yeah.
So when we see the video,
Well, I mean, I know what Walka and talk come with a vent on the internet. You see me? I don't know what I'm trying to say. You see me, brother? Sometimes I can't just hold something, dog. I tell you, no. You see it? I don't think Jeffrey don't really want to hear about that right now. You see me? You just want to say, yo, the road, get bail. Just want to tell the people them all gone.
he beat me the same night. But watch him. Come and see a penalty boss money, bro. Listen, go on, send that.
No, I meet Alkaline for I swear to you. I meet Alkaline. And I swear, you don't know perception is an elevator. Give me that Alkaline. I don't want to use the word weird. I'm thinking he might be standoffish. You know, based on stories I'm hearing about him, and I think he might have seen that one corner up and be a smoke a spliff and just not say nothing. No, the man is cool, dude. I think he might have talk like weird too. Like, he might probably say, man. Yeah.
Yo. Yo, people. I tell you already, you know. You see, a lot of people don't know Alkaline. You know why? Them don't know him. Them only just judge. You understand? Because if you don't go around a person and you don't know a person, sometimes we just find the option for just go around the person or really see or come on, man. Sometimes when you hear where people go around Alkaline and you hear them talk, brother. You see me? The man just move normal. It's just that you might, where people say him not deal with people, him not do this, him not deal with that. Bro, you don't know see the man every day. At that, you know, you don't know they around him, you don't know him friend. So, you don't know really see him personality. You don't just hear what some people say and you don't go listen to him music or if you know, I feel people. I feel like say you see the different clip them Alkaline though. Like you say yo mad thing. And to be honest, the interview with Cliff Hughes kind of fooled some of the people them. But an Alkaline that dog. If you go around Alka and the man rate you on your MG, then you will really see who his Alka is, brother. But majority of the people them don't see Alkaline, them never been around him. So you're not gonna know him personality. You see me? Una just look upon it as una too see me in the media. Him and people not too link up. So in your mind, you're going to say, yo, that you cannot deal with people, you know. Not knowing, say, bro, the man in a different environment. You see me? He might do business, he might do that. He not have time for you to link up with nobody and them like a thing there. So in your mind, you say, yo, John, say move and you might see him and afraid for heal him up or because in your mind you feel like, say, yo, he might, you know. But once you go around the G dog and man, normal dog, reason like normal. You see me? But I say it go still. You see me? Some of the time, you have to move like that. You see me? People respect you some more. Yeah, man, if you laugh and giggy up with people with disrespect you. You see me? Yeah, people with disrespect you them way there. Man, I tell you that. Like, that even happened with me more while. You see, when me just easy and not too say nothing, people respect you. You say if you're in a people face like them see you every day, them will disrespect you. But when them not see you none at all, and for a long while, them respect you more. You understand? That's how you think go.
They make us move.
Same talk to you.
No, I'm on him say I did. I'm somebody there, no young man, I say, yo, me say no with the thing. I say, me, Alkaline, I love you.
Lie at you.
Alkaline, I love you. No, I said that. At first, I thought to him, sister, sweet lady.
Yeah, scary.
Sweet
Big up
lady.
Carrie.
So I said, like, real, genuine conversation. Me and her, they have a look back and forth.
Yeah, man, Carrie. Yeah, man, Carrie a good girl, man. You see me? She reason she you know she know for the people and you know. And as a manager, you know, she good at that. And you know she know for interact with people and every little thing. You see it? She know for do her thing. You see it? And you don't know as the artist do him thing. You know? I just one of them thing there. You see it? But you see we how Alkaline respond on some video, people might feel say yo a certain personality still. When you go around him, it's a different thing. It might shock you. You see it?
With certain things I would disagree with, but a conversation could I have and she invite me to the show Miami. No, I can't go to that show. You know, but she invite me.
Me pass man, now go over now.
She invite me to the show at Miami. We go to Mr. Paul.
Watch your boy Walka and talk. Yo, I'm tell you, you know. That's what Alkaline tell you in them song say, yo, if him did a sit down and chat up with them, he would have be them favorite. You saw walk and talk a talk, but you give me ticket. If I did walk and talk, they meet him, I see him thing. You couldn't say nothing about Alkaline. I tell you that enough of them, I true the artists and deal with them and they in them circle and them little things. So that's why you see them move or they move. I saw you man stay. When you can big them up and heal them up and ray. Whereas if you're a bigger celebrity or a superstar in the business, yeah man, them a highlight, you know. You can't do say nothing bad around them now, you know. Cause you see me? I saw them this. You saw walk here a while ago. Yeah man, give me a pass and I go to Miami. New rules, you want to go, you know. Yeah. But I say it go still.
Him did that too. And then I chat to Alka. Me and Alka conversation wasn't long, but just there show him say, yo, you know, we have enough neutrals and him say, yo, I mean I tell him say the media, if you not really watch something in the entirety, you just see a clip and things say. The clip tell the whole story, you see me? And man, just reason for it could be like 5-10 minutes. Me G go too. You see me? Yeah, cool people. So that's what you want to talk about whatever people are telling about Alkaline.
Man. I'm call me on my phone. I have a chat about it anyway still. Yeah.
Yo, I don't know wrong with Boom Boom, dog. Boom Boom, some of the time, him just love run off him mouth, bro. I don't know what kind of thing that, brother. You see me? So madness, Boom Boom depend, dog. Sometimes it's easy, brother. I'm too up small while. You see me? Yeah, be a bad energy. I don't know wrong with him, dog. You see it? But you hear what I say?
Brother, you have to understand this, bro. You see me tell him every day?
Boy, I'm say something before anything. Yeah. You see now I make this publicly known. Bro, I don't have a problem with nobody, brother. So you see, here what I'm gonna do. What I do a thing where if I say anything about you, where you feel like it hurts you so much, call me, bro.
So, on here, if Frais say anything bad, seen? Yeah, just give him a call. Cause him no want the next thing repeat what happened a big wall. You understand? So basically what I try to say is that, yo, I nah say this for disrespect, you know. This is just my opinion. So if you feel a way about the opinion, just call him, try to get to him and say, yo, I'm gonna rate what you say, and he just reason it out. You understand? Yeah man, that's one of them things there. Public figure, people are gonna say anything about you. You have to put outside the emotions. If you're celebrity superstars, whatsoever, people are known, people are gonna say things about you. Either bad or good. That's how it go. Yeah man.
Me and him are link a mutual Frais and we can figure it out. Because you see, anything, you see the pros them come with the concept. You see me? So if you want to be a billionaire, the tax man I got pray every single day. That just come with it. If you want to be an influencer, people are critique you and say you look like this and you look like that. If you want to be a policeman, you might dead. If you want to be a thief, you might get locked up or dead. Whatever the case may be. If you want to be a dan, people might kill your family because you have to take the pros and the cons. So
and that are the thing, you know. It's like I saw it go dog, like, come on. Sometimes when I have to really meds it, bro. Cause sometimes you can just reason or say something about the artist, you know. You don't have to really disrespect them, like tell them this and right. You can just speak your opinion or you just speak facts based on information what you see. You understand? If you see something not go on and you keep on and repeat, you can say, yo, artist, you know, you need to change up this or change up that or whatsoever. That could have been the person's opinion. No means you're true. No means you must do it. You understand? Because I saw it go. Maybe the person who critique it, them not understand or them not know what the aim you have forward. You see me? So I just want them thing there as public figure. Remember, if you're not nobody, nobody not gonna talk about you. You understand? I saw the thing said so. You have to just say, alright, people know you. You have to can take critiquing. You see me? Yeah. And I like the person that diss up, you know, tell you about your mother and, you know, I put some information out there where, you know, what kind of can damage your brand and all of these things. You see me? Yeah. But at the end of the day, you don't have to really bring the violence to the person. You can just put out a statement or sue or defamation of character, all of them. So them things that they use the law and, you know, I forgot the badness. Like, a 2-place badness carrier. I know that go. Prison or grave, you see me? grave or prison. You see it. I just them two places alone. Seem like how you have 2 eyes, 2 and 2 foot. You see me? I saw the world make up. Plane have 2 wing. You see me? Bird have 2 wing. Yeah. That's one of them things there, brother. So everything are just that. You have 2 human being, woman and man. You see it? That's how it go. So you have to just know say yo, people say something. If you're not right, you just call them or text them and say, yo, stop this, me not rate this or whatsoever. If them not want to stop, just put out a season. This is that simple.
You never forward in the space. You have to understand that people have a critique. You know. A lot of people might say, well, Jaii, you're very harsh. But let's ask this question. How much time people bash me? But apart of it, because guess what going on now? Me can't want the fancy house and the GLE and the model girlfriend and me don't want 2 people. I say what them feel about me. It comes with it, bro. You see me? So me I say this right now. If it's a case of a problem, just reach out to me. Because the show goes on.
Yeah, man. Real thing, man. So I just one of them thing there, man. People that hurt some people feelings, and sometimes you just can't talk the truth based on information, you know. I was out there already, and it just cause a problem. You see it? I just one of them thing there. You see me? It just cause a problem. You see it? Cause now this a world you can't talk certain thing, brother. I tell you that. World crazy. Crazy. But I one of them to Jaii for their road. My doing podcast, you know, first podcast. You don't know. Yeah. Him say a bag of thing, and you know, you don't know what go on in a jail. You know, when him got you in a jail. And all of these things. A lot of things him talk about. You see me? Yeah. Him say him have to do for survive. You see it? A lot of things. You see me? Him say, yo, when him in a jail, this and that, and a bag of thing go on in a jail. So, you know, I hope people learn from this. You see me? Yeah, I hope people learn from this. That's your situation. You see me? Serious situation, but I just one of them thing the people, and you don't know. I want media facts on the app. You understand? Big up everybody for the support. Yeah, man, you know, I think so, man. That's the day I go on easy. People, stay safe out there, you know. Yeah, man, cause out there crazy right now. Stay safe, is it? Yeah, man, you know I think go. Mad thing, man, is it? That is it.